Nonplussed. It is another difficult English word where a sneaky prefix is the culprit. Because the prefix non means not, some people misuses nonplussed as unfazed or uninterested. In reality, nonplussed mean at a loss of what to think, meaning unsure about what to say, think or do. In Hindi, bhauchak. Synonyms of nonplussed: confused, puzzled, perplexed, baffled, stumped. Sentence using nonplussed: I was completely nonplussed by his sudden appearance. Guile, meaning charm or enchant someone, often in a deceptive way. In Hindi, Mona. Synonyms of beguile: charm, attract, enchant, win over, captivate. Sentence using beguile: almost everything in the little town beguiles from its architecture to its art. Embellishment, meaning a flattering or pleasing statement or action used as a mean of gently persuading someone to do something. In Hindi, chaplusi karna. Synonyms of blandishment: allurements, endearment, adulation, flattery, overpraise. Sentence: every blandishment was used to soothe him. Pretty, meaning brisk and cheerful readiness. In Hindi, tatparta. Synonyms of alacrity: eagerness, willingness, readiness, enthusiasm. Sentence: they accepted the offer with alacrity. Ironic. It is one of the most confusing English words that has been misused so often that its original meaning has gotten lost. Meaning happening in a way contrary to what is expected. In Hindi, vidamna yukt. Synonym of the word ironic: paradoxical, sarcastic, humorous, arrogant, mocking. Use in sentence: if you are the world football champion, it would be ironic if you lost a match to someone who just learned it.
Anachronistic, meaning belonging to a period other than that being portrayed. Meaning in Hindi, Carl Bremen. Synonyms of anachronistic, antiquated, archaic, out of date, outmoded, ancient. Sentence using anachronistic. His painting style was seen as outdated and anachronistic. Iconoclast. Meaning of iconoclast. A person who attacks or criticizes cherished beliefs or institutions. Synonyms of iconoclast: critic, skeptic, questioner, heretic, nonconformist. Sentence using iconoclast. He is an annoying iconoclast who insults the beliefs of others. Solipsism. Meaning of solipsism: the quality of being self-centered or selfish. Synonyms of solipsism: egoism, self-containment, subjectivity, egocentricity. Ipsity. Sentence using solipsism. Sentimentality was the defining feature of old labors as solipsism.
Enormity. Enormity is so close to enormous that people usually use it wrongly, thinking that they must be synonyms. The meaning of enormity is extreme evil, a terrible or immoral act, or how terrible or immoral something is. In Hindi, dushtata. Synonyms of enormity: deprivative, wickedness, awfulness, nastiness, brutality. Sentence using enormity: shock over the enormity of the crime has subsided.
Archetypal. Meaning of archetypal: very typical of a certain kind of person or thing. Synonyms of archetypal: representative, conventional, quintessential, exemplary. Sentence: she is the archetypal country dentist. Cajole. How to pronounce it? Cajole. Cajole. Meaning in English: persuade someone to do something by sustained coaxing or flattery. Meaning in Hindi: patana, fuslana. Now let us go through some of the synonyms of cajole for better understanding. Blandish, coax, soft soap, and wheedle. As all these words mean to influence or persuade by pleasing words or actions. How to use cajole in sentence. He really knows how to cajole people into sanctimonious. How to pronounce sanctimonious? Sanctimonious. Meaning of sanctimonious: making a show of being morally meaning in Hindi, Pakhardi. Now let us go through some of the synonyms of sanctimonious for better understanding. Self-righteous, holier than thou, churchy, pious. How to use sanctimonious in sentence. Many sanctimonious speeches were made about the need for honesty in government. Like and subscribe to
Negation, meaning the action of renouncing or rejecting something. In Hindi, aswikar. Synonyms of abnegation: renouncing, rejection, refusal, abandonment. Sentence: the priest's abnegation of his faith was a shock to everyone in the community.
disparate, meaning of disparate, not able to be compared, of a distinct kind. Synonyms of disparate, contrasting, different, differing, dissimilar, unlike. Sentence: there is a huge disparate between the earlier generation and the present.
Equanimity, meaning calmness and composure, especially in a difficult situation. In Hindi, Sambhav, Samanbhav. Synonyms of equanimity: composure, calmness, calm, self possession, self control. Sentence: he accepted the prospect of life with equanimity. Demagogue, meaning a political leader who seeks support by appealing to the desires and prejudices of ordinary people rather than by using rational arguments. In Hindi, Durjanav ka Neta. Synonyms of demagogue: agitator, firebrand, fanatic, incendiary, instigator. Sentence: only a demagogue could persuade so many people to rebel against authority. Multifarious, meaning many and of various types. In Hindi, vivid. Synonyms of multifarious: diverse, many, numerous, varies, varied. Sentence: India is a composite of multifarious traditions and people.
obdurate. How to pronounce it? Obdurate. Obdurate. Meaning of obdurate. Stubbornly refusing to change one's opinion or course of action. Meaning in Hindi. Hati. Now let us go through some of the synonyms of obdurate for better understanding. Stubborn, obstinate, unyielding, unbending, inflexible. How to use obdurate in sentence? The president remains obdurate on the question of tax cuts. And subscribe to learn English vocabulary. Umbrage. How to pronounce umbrage? Umbrage. Meaning of umbrage, offense or annoyance. Meaning in Hindi. Go. Now let us go through some of the synonyms of umbrage for better understanding. Annoyance, fury, grudge. How to use umbrage in sentence? He took umbrage at the way the media portrayed him. Please like and subscribe to learn English vocabulary and IELTS 9 bands tips daily. Travesty. Meaning of travesty, a false, absurd, or distorted representation of something. Synonyms of travesty: misrepresentation, distortion, perversion, corruption. Sentence: the way the project evolved was a travesty of organic reality.